For this week's skill drill lesson, we're starting with finding an unknown number in our addition and subtraction problems. So for example, in number 1, we want to know what number are we going to add to 6 to get to 10. So that hopefully is not a difficult problem for you. I'm going to let you figure that problem out, because this is something that, if you notice, that has a first grade Common Core standard. So not something that should be too difficult for you. The probably thing that looks different is that when you were in first grade, you would have probably had a box, and then plus 6 equals 10. I think that's probably more what it looked like when you were younger. Now here, this is a third grade standard, and 4 times what number gives you 20? That's what that's asking. 25 divided by what number gives you 5? Okay, this is a little bit more complicated on number 3, because you don't know your 17s tables, but you guys can do these. Okay, I have very great confidence in you. Okay, so let's get this box off of here, maybe, or not. We might. Oh, there we go. Okay, now this is a little bit more complicated, but this is something I know you guys learned previously. X plus 3 if x is 20. So you just substitute x for 20. So you get 20 plus 3. You guys can handle that, no problem. Here's y, you take out the y and you put in 19. 19 minus 14. Okay, again, I'm not doing the math for you guys. You guys can handle this. This one right here means 4 times x. So it's 4 times 20. This is 24 divided by y. 13 times 4. Okay? That's not 134. It's 13 times 4. All right. Last page. Again, let's get rid of the box, maybe. Or not. We might keep it. That's a silly box. Okay, there we go. Now, the mean. We're finding the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. The mean, I always say mean is the meanest of all of them, because it makes you do so much work. You have to add all of these numbers up. So you're going to add, just imagine an addition sign in between all of them. And then you're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to divide by 8 of them, okay? The median, picture driving down the highway. You've got a highway, 2-lane highway, okay? This part right here is the median, the grassy part in the middle, all right? The mode, most often, this is the one that is repeated the most often. And then the range, oh, the median, forgot to say, you have to put them in order. Okay, the middle when they're in order. Since we have 8 of them, you're going to be finding the mean of the 2 middle ones. Okay. The range, that's the difference between the smallest and the largest. That's the range. And what would happen to the mean if the number 100 were added? So if you put one more number in here, what would happen? All right. This last set down here, we've got the numbers right here, 16.3, 11, 6, 15, 23, 17, and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we have 8 of them. We're finding the mean. Add them all up, divide by 8. The median, put them in order, find the 2 middles, and add those, divide them by 2. Okay? Find the mode, the one that's in there the most often. There can be more than one mode, and there can be no mode. Find the range, the difference between the smallest and the largest numbers. And what would happen to the median if the number 8 was added to the set? So I would just be putting in number 8 in here. Okay? So again, these are doable. I think you guys spent quite a bit of time on this, if my memory serves, from a 6th grade curriculum. So this is doable. You should not have any problems. If you have questions, you guys know where to find me. Enjoy your skill drills this 2 weeks.